Hi, thanks for joining me today. This is number 3 in my second series of Afternoon Delights, and this is a really super simple card. I've got a piece of Pool Party cardstock which measures 8 inches by 5.5 inches. Which measures 8 inches by 5.5 inches, that's 20.3 centimetres by 14 centimetres, and then it's scored at 4 inches, which is 10.2 centimetres on the long side, and then I've just burnished that score line. And then I took some Very Vanilla and I got the gorgeous bow stamp out of Wishing You Well, and I just stamped it randomly onto Very Vanilla using Grapefruit Grove, Mint Macaron, So Saffron and Blushing Bride. And then I used a stitch shape framelit. This isn't a Stampin' Up one. This is a set that I bought from eBay, and there's more in it than there is in the Stampin' Up one, and they're I think they're less of a sort of a sharp oval, if you like, so they're more sort of a rounded oval. And I just cut out using my Big Shot a section there, and then on another piece of Very Vanilla, just make sure that it's big enough to fill the space, I just used the Grapefruit Grove, and I used Celebrate from Beautiful You stamp set by Stampin' Up, and that's just going to go behind there. And that is more or less all there is to it, except for the fact that I'm going to add on some little diamonds. I think I'm going to add on little diamonds. I'm just going to look and see if I've got any of these, because I'd absolutely love these. I'm going to see if there's any of these that would go. If there is, then I'll dot these on, but otherwise, you see, I think those two would go, wouldn't they? So I think I'll dot a few of those on. These are lovely. I think I got them as a gift or a prize or something. So I'm going to just dot some of those on just to sort of make it really fun. Okay, so what I want to do first of all is I just want to make sure that that's in the right place. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use some tape for that. So I'm going to use Fast Fuse, and I am going to use it on all four sides. And I'm going to sort of line it up, press it down like so. Okay, and then I'm going to just use Fast Fuse to attach my card base. And there's a little bit of prep because you've got to obviously stamp out your images, but other than that, it's absolutely stunning card. Really fun card as well. I love that. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I mean, like I say, how easy does it get? Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.